What's up, y'all? I am at Tasha's house. Well, I just pulled up to Tasha's housewarming. Oh, my curls are falling already. No. So we're actually having it at my aunt's church because Tasha's furniture isn't here. That doesn't really matter, but we here. Okay, we here.
She made bread. She made bread. Yep, because he wrecked my car.
In mid bite.
Thank you.
Oh.
Hi guys, so we are at a family get together. So let me get like a little tour. Here we go. Oh, you done took your bow out. See, this why we
Pizza cutter. Oh, a cake. In the thing. Oh, in my little.
Hi, baby. Say hi, Goodbye. Goodbye.
All right, y'all, so we got all the way to the place. It was pitch black over there, so y'all couldn't have seen it, but we got all the way to the dance place and nobody was there. It was just me and Tasha. So I like text the dance instructor, I DM'd the instructor, nothing. He didn't post that class was canceled. So now we're at Walmart because it's the only thing open right now, and we're just gonna walk around. So y'all are gonna come with us. Look, Tasha got her hair, y'all gonna see Tasha got her hair wrapped. I got my curls pinned up. We look crazy. We look crazy. All right, let's roll. You got a coat? Yeah, I put it on. Oh, okay. Say hey to the people. I wish I would have got that part on camera. Hey. Which I don't even know if I got, what in the heck? Uh oh. That's the chicken right there. Look how blinky your mask is. Oh, we're doing a cleanse. We're doing a 3-day cleanse. I showed the wrong thing. I showed y'all the beauty neck. I'm mad we didn't get that first. And he's still ain't right me back. He fired. Yeah. I am in the Wendy's line because with this medicine, I didn't even tell y'all, I went to the ER yesterday. But for this medicine I have to get food and Joe doesn't feel good, so I went to the store to get him some medicine, but we don't have any leftovers. We ate all of our leftovers I think yesterday. So I'm in the Wendy's line, y'all. This is absurd. First of all, it's 10 o'clock at night, 10:30 at night. Wendy's is not that good. It is not that good. The workers at this one suck. Like, why? This is every single day, no matter what time of the day. They suck. They need to reevaluate. I should write them on Twitter. Dom just texted me. Why is everybody texting me? My sister texted me, Joe texted me. What is going on? Baby, am I important? Am I important? Nah, I'm kidding. All I want is some nuggets, y'all, just so I can take this medicine. Like, at this point, I'm gonna use the saltines that I got him because I don't need to be eating these nuggets. And this is God. I don't need to be eating these nuggets anyway. I've been sitting here probably for like 6 minutes before I even turn this camera on. This is tragic. I just want my nuggets. Well, I guess I could show y'all what I got from Walmart while I wait. So I got some saltines. I got some ginger ale bowls. Y'all don't up on ginger ale bowls. Y'all are, I don't know what y'all are, but y'all need to get hit. I got Joe a mini ginger ale too. I think I showed y'all this in the store, but Tasha and I are gonna do a cleanse. Dom, I'm in the car vlogging, child, and you on my vlog. Hey, yo. Okay, hold on. I'm showing them what I got from Walmart. Pepto-Bismol. I didn't even know they had pills, but this for Joe. Some fake ass earrings because I don't be having any on in my reels. And some body pins so I can pin curl my hair. Okay. Hello, girlfriend.
Give me 1 second.
Okay.
Alright, you can go ahead with your order.
Can I get the number 3, please? Regular.
Sauce and drink.
Honey mustard and Arnold Palmer. Can I get chili instead of fries? And that's all.
Pull someone up.
Okay. Ridiculous. Let me get myself to the house. Okay, y'all, I am. Can you hear me? No. I am on FaceTime with Mariah and Dom. But I wanted to do some PR unboxing. So I only have a little bit. Nothing too crazy. Well, I'll show y'all in a minute. Nothing too crazy. I'm gonna eat my Wendy's that I waited in line 30 minutes for. But we're gonna start with Kiehl's. Kiehl's, the skincare brand. They send me stuff all the time and I love them. It's their Christina Najar, aka Tinx collab. Yeah, so let's see what's in here. Super cute, super brown and cute. I have the I have the Rare Earth Deep Pore Cleansing Mask. They've sent this to me before in like another PR package. So I got another one of those. I think this is like the whole formula. The Creme de la Corpse. Oh, I don't think that's what it means. I hope that ain't what it means. Ooh. But it's a superb all over body moisturizer of superb quality for extremely dry or flaky skin. They're trying to call me ashy. Okay. There's, I'm like, huh. There's that. The Ultra Facial Cleanser for all skin types. Gentle formula that cleanses without overdrying or stripping your skin. It's not focusing for y'all. There it goes. It also came with the Nourishing Body Oil. At this point, I don't even care about the focus. It says Creme de Corpse. I don't like that. I don't like that. And then it has the Creamy Eye Treatment, ooh, with avocado. Ooh. Okay, well, can't smell it. Okay, well, can't do that. So that's everything from Kiehl's. Everything from Kiehl's. Y'all, let me know if y'all would want me to do more PR like unboxings. I get PR pretty often, not like every day, not like every week, but you know, I get it. So when I get it, let me know if y'all want to like see me unbox it, and I'd be happy to. This other brand reached out to me, Vibrant by 1218. So they have the vitamin C, like brightening glow cleanser, more skincare, y'all. Come on and focus on me. Okay, dokie, can't do that. All right, then the Vibrant collagen booster. It's the same thing, but just a little baby, I guess, a travel thingy. And then the eye cream moisturizer. So this is like 3-pack. I got this beautiful PR box from Kiss. So it's set, and here's all the products. So there's some press-ons, there's a few press-ons. Actually, there's a whole bunch of press-ons, and I'm actually giving them all to Dom because I don't wear press-ons. There's some lash glue liner and some lash. I have a lot of lashes, but which is so crazy. I've been having this for like, y'all, I've had this for like a very, 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 very long time. And so now I get my lashes done, so, but it's all good. So, lashes, more lashes, more lashes, the lash glue, and then the nails. I feel like there was way more nails in here. But here are the press-ons that I'm giving to Dom. Right here. They're really cute. Especially these right here. Okay, well anyway, they're super cute. So why did they play me and act like it was way more stuff? Y'all, I promise you, I thought that there was another. Okay, well, there's that. And then last, but baby, certainly not least, Valentino, bro. Valentino. Valentino Beauty sent me PR. Wait. So it is some Valentino striking matte lip color light lasting wear. It's just the lipstick looks like. This is annoying. I hate showing products. Okay, this is stupid. And then the eye to cheek double use blush and eyeshadow. Let's open this up and see what these are talking about. Pretty. I mean, Valentino, Deja and Valentino. Yes, thank you. She is, yes ma'am. And is. Don't play me like this, girl. It's crazy. And then what is this right here? Oh, the lipstick. But look at the pack. Oh, look at this packaging. It feels so bourgeois. Oh my. It's very cute. Wow, that's really pretty. Dream in color is the color. No, it's not. It's Rosso Valentino. I don't know. Clearly I ain't used to fancy stuff. I'm just playing. Alright, y'all. That's the end of this week's vlog. I need to clean up my filming room. Y'all already know after my reels, it gets a little crazy. I am tired. Wow. I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, share with your friend, your mama, your grandma, your sister, your cousin, your brother. Share with everybody. Let me know your favorite part of this week's vlog down below, and I will see you all next video. Bye, girl.